Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out a gadget that every GoPro user needs. The wireless smart remote control for GoPro Hero. Say goodbye to those awkward reach around the camera moments. This little device is here to save the day. Let's dive in. So, what makes this remote control so special? Well, first off, it's got a 50-meter control range. That's half a football field. Whether you are surfing, biking or just too lazy to get up, this remote's got your back. And check this out. It has a colorful LED screen that makes it super easy to see your camera's status, even in bright sunlight or pitch darkness. No more guessing if you are recording or just standing there awkwardly. It is also waterproof up to 1 meter, so if you drop it in a puddle, no worries. But maybe don't take it deep sea diving. Another cool feature, shortcut keys. You can jump straight to your favorite mode. No more endless menu scrolling. And get this, it can even wake up your GoPro when it is off. Now that's some next level laziness I can get behind. Battery life, 4 hours of continuous use. Not bad, right? And it comes with a USB charging cable and a wrist strap, so you won't lose it while doing something epic. Alright folks, that's a wrap on this wireless smart remote for GoPro. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome gadget reviews.